Time now for NTV's First Alert Weather Forecast.
I guess where's the dividing line between very warm and hot? It's already pretty close to hot. 89 at Valentine right now, 85 in Hastings, and in the days ahead we see severe weather possibly rolling in already tomorrow over the northern part of the state. Central Nebraska, not so the case. We see storm chances here after midnight tomorrow night. It's going to be a hot day, 94, anything but cool on Friday. Friday night, a pretty good chance of severe weather activity, 88. Storms in the forecast, pretty close to being likely, and much cooler Saturday, 76 degrees. So planning just getting going in many areas right now, but overall the weather, at least the next 2 days during the day, looks pretty good for that. 88 McCook right now, our aerial camera. Thunderstorms in the background over in Dundee County. South winds light, humidity low. The barometer is dropping at this hour. We see 90 at Ogallala, but mainly mid and upper 80s throughout the entire region. Here's a severe weather outlook for tomorrow for northern Nebraska, maybe isolated severe storms, and then the bullseye painted right on the central part of Nebraska for Friday. It could be a severe weather outbreak in our region as we head especially into the afternoon on Friday and Friday night as well. As mentioned earlier, could be what we term a code red day. The lift of a warm front through the region, creating that warmth tomorrow, then the cold front on its way, spawning storms over northern Nebraska, then the push of low pressure to the west and that boundary moving in. That means storm activity definite on Friday. The whole system drops through on Saturday, and by Sunday, a high of only 60 degrees. So we'll go from air conditioning weather to possibly turning the heaters on Sunday night because it's going to cool down. There are those storms over the southwest part of the state right now. A significant weather advisory for southwest Dundee County. That storm has some potential for severity at this hour. Storms are scattered on the west coast tonight, the east coast as well. And there is severe weather possible already over parts of the Dakotas. Tonight, 63, south winds 10 to 20. Hot tomorrow, gusty winds 94, storm chances slight. It will be after midnight tomorrow night. Lows tonight 50s and 60s. Highs tomorrow mainly in the 90s. Some cooler areas where that front will have already dropped in. Ahead of us then, the 7-day warming up tomorrow to that hot level. Still warm Friday, much cooler Saturday, just plain cool for this time of year. On Sunday, anything but warm Monday and Tuesday. Rain is likely on the forecast, in the forecast those 2 days. Wednesday starting to warm back up, 70. Quite a change in the weather. You can see when you have temperatures drop some 34 degrees Thursday compared to Sunday, that is a massive cold air. And obviously we know when it hits the very warm or hot area, storms are going to fire in a big way.
Indeed. All right. We'll be watching for that. Okay. Thanks, Kent.